Yes, welcome back to our channel Pamoja Tuboreshe Kiswahili. My name is Teacher Ayub Mweti, a teacher of science, Kiswahili, CRE, and others like mathematics. Now this evening or today, I want us to go through another learning area, integrated science for grade 7. There's now topic 1 that I'm coming up with some questions that we should learn, and we should also be aware on how they should be answered. Without wasting time, if you are a teacher, I'm sure you are going to learn more from this video and go to enrich your learners with more information. How I wish you could have shown your class or your students the channels to go home on their way to make an extra mile on their own while making research on YouTube. Tell them the channel is Pamoja Tuboreshe Kiswahili, not any other channel. To the learners, kindly take a pen and a notebook. That's now a small notebook that can be carried from place to place, and start making down some points to improve in your science scores. Welcome. Question 2, career opportunities. Career opportunities related in integrated science. Career opportunities related in integrated science. That's now what we are going to see for question 2. Before I explain what is a career, let's go through a book. That's a book here, and some pictures I want us to go through. That's picture A to D. Picture A, there is a person there. You can just see and tell me the career of that person or a job. Number B, there's C and D. You can see the pictures well, and then tell me what are the careers or a job for those people. So for A, before I continue, a career is what? A career is what one does. A career is what one does in the field of work. I repeat after me. A career is what one does in the field of work. According to us, I can tell you that several careers that we can study in this integrated science are, we have civil engineering, as we can see in picture A. Civil engineering for picture A. Then there is nursing. That's another career, nursing. We have laboratory technician, as you can see the picture. The person mixing and dealing with the chemicals in the laboratory, keeping the laboratory in order. We have another career that's now apart from civil engineering, nursing, laboratory technician. We have doctoring. One can become a doctor while studying. When you study science, then don't forget about that's first aider, a person offering first aid, and I is called first aider. There is pharmacist, a person dealing with the medicine, is called pharmacist. You can become a science teacher like me. Then number 8, you can become a mathematics teacher. What are the importances? What are the importance of studying integrated science? What are the importance of studying integrated science? Check from this textbook. See and go through the book. We have importance of integrated science in daily life. Read from A. It leads to different what? Number B, the skills acquired can also be. Well, let's go to number next. Take a book That's now a notebook and a pen, and I put down these notes. That's notes for what are the importances of studying integrated science. Make these small notes, short notes. Poverty eradication, solving environmental problems, understand how our body works. Then promoting healthy living and etc. You can just add several. Before you add, you can also learn how to take care of what we use in each and every day, and the rest there is homework. You can just go home and add 2 or 3 the importance of studying integrated science. I know you are listening very well, and you are also enjoying this lesson together with me and my fellow learners. Check very well so that you can get the answers. Then, which of the following careers is not related to integrated science? Question 4. Which of the following careers is not related to integrated science? A, we have electrical engineering. B, we have medicine. C, we have scientific research. D, we have nursing. So our answer becomes law, because law is not related to sciences. Our next question is outline the pathways related to science. Remember, these are questions from topic 1. Topic 1, that's about scientific research. So the pathways in senior school, we have STEM. And my dear people, listeners, and people watching, remember that STEM should be written in capital letters, and it stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. This is the first pathway. That's now science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Another pathway is art and sport science. Art and sport science. Then number 3, another pathway is social science. I will come later to explain how are they related. Check the book. Check how these pathways relate to one another. In STEM, we have pure sciences. In art, we have performing arts, visual arts, and etc. I will come later to explain the several branches that are under each pathway. Then next question, let's see how understanding of integrated science helps in solving environmental problem. How understanding of integrated science helps in environmental problem. Solving environmental problem. First of all, remember that what challenges do environment face. So we have by helping or enlightening to the learners to understand on what to do to reduce or minimize air pollution. So this is in science that they will be able to learn what to do to minimize water pollution, land pollution or soil pollution, and several pollutions that we have sound pollution and among others. You can just add yours there. You can add it to several so that you can join with me to know how we can do our work, or how we can eradicate air pollution or water pollution. So what is the laboratory? That's now another question. Laboratory is a special room where practical subjects like chemistry, physics, biology are being studied. Also, a laboratory is a place where practical apparatus like volumetric flasks and beakers are being kept. This is now the meaning of laboratory. For question 8, we are going to see commonly hazards that are found in laboratory. Commonly hazards in laboratory, and hazard is a situation
or a condition or anything that can cause harm, that's now harm or discomfort to someone. Something that can cause discomfort to you is what we call hazard. What can cause accident is what we call hazards. Commonly hazards in laboratory. We have open flames. Sometimes I can say naked flames. We have open electric sockets. Another one is naked electric wires. So when you touch that wire, you know what are the consequences. We have slippery floors. When you step on a slippery floor, I know very well, you know what will happen. We have flammable liquids that can catch fire easily. So those are the things that can cause accidents. We have corrosive chemicals that can corrode your hands. We have broken glasses and etc. Check very well and make notes. Put these short notes in your exercise book. So let's see the symbols of common hazards in laboratory. Let's see the hazards of common hazards in laboratory. These are the same symbols. These are the symbols and they have meaning. So when you see a symbol, there's a meaning somewhere. So this one, let me take a ruler. A ruler will do well because this pen will hide some pictures. So this one, as you can see, it is flammable. I know you can differentiate between flammable and oxidizing. Toxic, radioactive, oxidizing. We have corrosive. You can see how they corrode the hands when you touch the chemical or that liquid. Also can destroy your clothes as well. We have carcinogenic. When you see that picture, carcinogenic is substance that can cause cancer. This one is explosive. You can see them exploding. See how they explode sideways. Then electric shock. When you see that in diagram, it means electric shock. And sometimes they are being kept they're being put in electric gadgets. See very well, because an exam will require you to name or either to match the symbol with their meaning. For question 10, I would like us to go through common accidents that are found in the laboratory. What are the accidents that are found in the laboratory? These accidents are burns. You can get fractures there when you sleep. When you sleep or when you fall, you get a fracture. We have dislocation when the ground is slippery and you fall. Then kuna falls. Yes, we have mentioned falls. Then we have poisonous gases. Poisoning can happen through ingesting poisonous substances or materials. We have suffocation, especially when the room is not well ventilated. We have cuts. When you break the apparatus there or glasses, they cut you. Those are the accidents. But broken glass is a hazard. The other one, causes of common laboratory accidents. Causes of common laboratory accidents. We have sharp objects. We have inhaling poisonous gas or gases. We have slippery floors. We have poorly ventilated room that can cause accident. These are the causes of common laboratory accidents. We have spillage of chemicals that can cause either corrosion or fire. We have ingesting harmful substances or chemicals that can poison you.
What is first aid? What is first aid? Now the answer is, this is the first treatment. This is the first treatment offered to a victim. This is the first treatment offered to a victim to stabilize him before taken to the hospital. I repeat, this is the first treatment offered to the victim to stabilize him before taken to the hospital. Remember, the person offering the first aid is called first aider. The person offering the first aid is called first aider. Outline items found in the first aid kit. Outline items found in the first aid kit. First aid kit. First aid kit is a box containing the first aid items. List them down, at least 10 if possible. So I will add some for you. We have cotton wool. I can just tell you that it's antiseptic solution for disinfecting. We have surgical spirit for cleaning wounds. We have a pair of scissors for cutting bandages or either to cut strings. We have painkillers to relieve pain. We have triangle bandages. I will bring the pictures for you to see. Then we have plasters for covering or for closing small wounds, and among others. Go home and research, make research to get more.